Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Minds, the channel where we invest rupees 10,000 every single week in the Indian stock market using real money, complete transparency, and a disciplined multi-factor approach. This is week 26, a full half year of building wealth one week at a time. Today I have a packed long form deep dive for you. We will walk through every single one of our top 15 candidates, reveal the exact orders placed, and then review the updated portfolio with the latest numbers. Before I go any further, this is not financial advice. Everything you see here is for educational purpose only. Always consult a SEBI registered advisor before making any investment decision. If you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification. We do this every single week, rain or shine. So what makes week 26 special? We screened over 5,000 stock through our 6-factor scoring model, shortlisted 15 elite candidates, made our final 2 picks, and deployed rupees 9,990 of our rupees 10,000 weekly capital. The cash buffer just rupees 10 intentionally to maintain full discipline. Our two final picks this week are Eicher Motor as our quality anchor and Varroc Engineering as our aggressive movement pick. The updated portfolio total return of 9.10% with rupees 54,454. In current portfolio, value against rupees 49,914 invested. More on that shortly. Let me quickly recap our process for anyone who may be watching for the first time. Every week, we take 5,000 plus listed stock through our 6-pillar scoring model. Pillar 1 Fundamentals: ROE, PE, PB, EPS, Market Cap. Pillar 2 Shareholding: Promoter holding, field deal trends, stability. Pillar 3 Cash flow: Operating CF, free cash flow consistency. Pillar 4 ROE trend: 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, quality persistence. Pillar 5 Balance sheet: debit, equity, reserves, asset growth. Pillar 6 Growth: sales and profit corg movement. We then apply a technical analysis overlay and a red flag filter to arrive at our top 15. From those 15, we pick 2 risk adjusted final picks. Simple formula, consistent process every week. 3 videos every week: short 1 top stocks, short 2 order placement, and this long video with complete deep dive and portfolio review. Top 15 scorecard. 1. Eicher Motors, score 250, TA84, ROE 30.5%, quality anchor. 2. Varroc Engineering, score 238, TA84, ROE 29.6%, aggressive movement. 3. Aegis Logistics, score 252, TA77, ROE 37.7%, allied candidate. 4. Reddington, score 243, TA75, ROE 31.8%, allied candidate. 5. Mahanagar Gas, score 238, TA78, ROE 15.4%, allied candidate. 6. Bosch, score 193, TA75, ROE 30.5%, allied candidate. 7. Ravindra Energy, score 232, TA77, ROE 59.5%, allied candidate. 8. Chambal Fertilizers, score 197, TA85, ROE 24.1%, allied candidate. 9. CAMS, score 205, TA76, ROE 44.2%, allied candidate. 10. Swaraj Engines, score 197, TA83, ROE 57.4%, allied candidate. 11. KEI Industries, score 232, TA86, ROE 26.6%, allied candidate. 12. KDDL, score 236, TA80, ROE 24.9%, allied candidate. 13. ACE, score 174, TA83, ROE 31.0%, allied candidate. 14. CARE Ratings, score 197, TA75, ROE 21.7%, allied candidate. 15. Ajanta Pharma, score 202, TA74, ROE 26.8%, allied candidate. Remember, this is a watch list, not a buy list. Only the 2 best risk adjusted picks become the actual order this week. 15. Ajanta Pharma, large cap pharma, score 202, TA 74, ROE 26.8%, PE 37.7, PB 11.3, DE 0.01. 3 years sales core 12%, at 2D plus 17.7%. Watch fill selling trend. 14. Care ratings. Mid cap rating agencies score 197, TA 75, ROE 21.7%, PE 29.8, DE 0.02. 3 years sales core 16%. Watch execution discipline. 13. Action construction equipment score 174, TA 83, ROE 31%, DE 0.00. 3 year sales core 15%. Watch RSI evaluated at 77.6. Do not chase. 12. KDDL Small Cap Gems and Watches score 236, TA 80, ROE 24.9%, DE 0.37. 3 year sales core 18%. Watch Small Cap Volatility Fill Trends. 11. KEI Industries Large Cap Cables score 232, TA 86, top TA score, ROE 26.6%, PE 58.9, DE 0.04, 3 years sales score 19%. Watch valuation premium. 10. Swaraj Engines Small Cap Diesel Engines score 197, TA 83, ROE 57.4%, DE 0.00. Watch small cap volatility holding. 9. CAMS Computer Age Management Service Large Cap MF Transfer Agency score 205, TA 76, ROE 44.2%, PE 43, DE 0.04. 3 years sales score 15%. Long term India financialization play. 9. Chambal Fertilizers Mid cap score 197, TA 85, ROE 24.1%, PE 10, very reasonable. DE 0.10, 3 years sales score -9%. Cyclical, strong technical setup. 7. Ravindra Energy Small cap electrical equipment score 232, TA 77, ROE 59.5%, DE 0.01. 3 years sales score only 1.5%. Growth need to follow. 6. Bosch Large cap auto component score 193, TA 75, ROE 30.5%, PE 26.7, DE 0.01. Promoter 70.5%. 3 year sales score 10%. Quality franchise. 5. Mahanagar Gas Mid cap CNG PNG score 238, TA 78, ROE 15.4%, PE 12.7, DE 0.03, RSI at 72.8, evaluated, avoid chasing. 4. Redington Large cap distribution score 243, TA 75, ROE 31.8%, PE 17, DE 0.28. 3 year sale core 22%, already in portfolio at plus 27.35%, RSI 75, not adding to existing winner right now. Third, Aegis Logistic, large cap gas, highest composite score at 252, TA 77, ROE 37.7%, 3 year sales score 34%, already in portfolio at plus 21.32%, RSI 87.6, very evaluated, definitely not chasing. 2. Varroc Engineering Aggressive Movement BSC 541578 Auto Components Mid Cap Market Cap Rupees 9.5 thousand crores Score 238, TA 84, ROE 29.6%, PE 43.6, PB 9.8, DE 0.33, 3 year sales score 27%, Promoter 75%. Why selected? Strong ROE, top tier technical confirmation, auto component sector tailwind, 75% promoter conviction is excellent. Role satellite position, smaller allegation, watch execution discipline and patience. 1. Eicher Motors Quality Anchor BSC 505200 2 and 3 wheelers Royal Enfield large cap market cap rupees 2.1 lakhs crores score 250 TA 84 ROE 30.5% PE 38 PB 12.7 DE 0.01 3 year sales score 17% promoter 49.1%. Why selected? Excellent ROE, virtual zero debit, top tier technical setup, premium Royal Enfield brand mode, consistent double digit growth, role anchor position, larger allocation, 75% plus of capital. Watch Phil's selling trends. Risk adjusted sizing. Eicher Motors. Quantity 1 share. Average buy rupees 7,570. Invested rupees 7,570. Current rupees 7,597. Profit and loss plus rupees 27.90 plus 0.37%. Varroc Engineering. Quantity 4 shares. Average buy rupees 605. Invested rupees 2,420. Current rupees 609.10. Profit and loss plus rupees 16.40 plus 0.68%. Total deployed rupees 9,990. Chase buffer rupees 10. Order type CNC delivery. Long term hold. No intraday trading, no leverage, period. Allocation logic. Hiker Motor 75.75% of capital. Quality anchor and logic cap certainty. Varroc Engineering 24.2% of capital. Higher beta satellite position. The asymmetry is intentionally risk adjusted, not excitement driven. Section 7 Portfolio Tracker Review Dashboard Overview. Total invested rupees 49,914. Current value rupees 54,454.05. Net profit and loss rupees 4,540.05. Overall return 9.10%. Best week 24 21.32%. Worst week 26 0.37%. Fresh entries expected. Week track 5 week 22 to week 26. Full holding details. 1. BSC Limited. Quantity 1. Average by rupees 4,255. Invested rupees 4,255. Current price rupees 3,875. Profit and loss minus rupees 380. Profit and loss percentage minus 8.93%. Second, Reddington. Quantity 17. Average by rupees 223. Invested rupees 3,791. Current price rupees 284. Current value rupees 4,828. Profit and loss plus 1,037 plus 27.35%. Third, Sika Interplant System. Quantity 2. Average by rupees 920. Invested rupees 1,840. Current price rupees 1,061. Current value rupees 2,122. Profit and loss plus rupees 282. Profit and loss percent plus 15.33%. Fourth, Sexsoft. Quantity 71. Average by rupees 142. Invested rupees 10,082. Current price rupees 160.55. Current value rupees 11,399. Profit and loss plus 1,317. Profit and loss percent plus 13.06%. 5. Aegis Logistic. Quantity 10. Average by rupees 940. Invested rupees 9,400. Current price rupees 1140.45. Curve value 11,404. Profit and loss plus 2004. Profit and loss percentage plus 21.32%. 6. Cupid. Quantity 12. Average by rupees 163. Invested rupees 1,956. Current price rupees 182.60. Current values rupees 2,191. Profit and loss plus rupees 235. Profit and loss percentage plus 12.02%. 7. Titan Company. Quantity 2. Average buy price rupees 4,300. Invested rupees 8,600. Current price rupees 4,300. Current value rupees 8,600. Profit and loss rupees 0. Profit and loss percentage 0.00%. 8. Hiker Motors. Quantity 1. Average by rupees 7,000 and average by rupees 7,570. Invested rupees 7,570. Current price rupees 7,597.90. Current value 7,598. Profit and loss plus rupees 28. Profit and loss percentage plus 0.37%. 9. Varroc Engineering. Quantity 4. Average by rupees 605. Invested rupees 2,420. Current price rupees 609.10. Current value rupees 2,436. Profit and loss plus rupees 16. Profit and loss percentage plus 0.68%. Total rupees 49,914. Current value rupees 54,454. Profit and loss plus 4,540. Profit and loss percentage plus 9.10%. Section 8 Portfolio Learning Loop. Best and worst performers. Best performer Reddington. Profit and loss plus rupees 1037. Return 27.35%. Current values rupees 4,828. Lesson. Let winners compound. This is playing out. We do not sell early just because the stock has moved. We let it compounding work. Current underperformer BSC Limited. Profit and loss minus rupees 380. Return minus 8.93%. Current value rupees 3,875. Lesson. A red position is feedback, not failure. Recheck the thesis. Is the business still strong? If yes, short-term price movement is noise. Do not panic. Do not react. Measure years, not weeks. Section 9. 5 key lessons from week 26. 5 lessons. Lesson 1. Allocation follows the risk, not excitement. Hiker gets anchor status. Varroc says smaller because movement can reverse faster. Never let excitement dictate the position sizing. Lesson 2. The top 15 is a watch list, not a buy list. Every candidate deserves analysis. Only the best risk adjusted pair become an actual order. Discipline over the enthusiasm. Lesson 3. Technical confirmation helps timing. TA score above 80 improved the confidence, but valuation and business quality still override the technicals every time. Lesson 4. Tracker data keeps us honest. Is the process compounding? The portfolio tracker is our mirror. Data does not lie. Sentiment does. Lesson 5. CNC delivery, weekly discipline and patience. Long-term investing is a boring by design. That is a future, not a bug. Section 10. Outer and call to action. That's a wrap on the week 26 of Beautiful Minds journey. We covered the full top 15 analysis, our final pick, Eicher Motors and Varroc Engineering, the exact order details and the updated portfolio showing a 9.10% overall return on rupees 49,914 invested. Finance question for you this week. Would you rather buy the highest scoring stock on the model or the best risk adjusted stock for your specific portfolio? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this content add value to your investment journey, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share with someone learning about the markets. Week 27 is already in preparation. See you next week. Beautiful minds building wealth one week at a time.